If you've been struggling in life, whether that be with your family, friends, or with your business, if you felt like you've been dealt an unfair set of cards, I know how you feel, and I've been there myself. My name is Magpantay. I'm an internet entrepreneur, and I want to give you my recommendation. If that's you, if that's how you're feeling, then to read this book, Never Judge a Book by Its Cover, by my friend Kalpna, Suthar. And in this book, she shares her own story, all the different struggles that she had to overcome. And when you start to compare yourself to the different things that's going on in your life and all the different things that this woman had to endure and all the different achievements that she's achieved since making a decision to, you know what, I'm not going to live this life, I'm going to make a difference, and I'm going to make a difference on my own and do what I need to do and not have to rely on anyone else, then you know absolutely that you can do it yourself. When you have this story, when you have her story to compare yourself to and to kind of boost yourself and give you that last bit of encouragement, that last bit of inspiration to continue and push on and keep going, then at times in my specific field of entrepreneurship, at times that's really just all you need. So if that's you, if you're struggling, if you're battling depression, if you're battling obstacles that you feel are just so tremendous and so difficult to overcome, then this book is likely going to give you the exact boost you need to go in the right direction. Absolutely, I would take it a step further and actually email the author. Kalpna Suthar. She's a friend of mine, and she's actually a very, very personable and very friendly person, and she's very generous with her time. So I myself, I'm actually someone that I actually reach out to her at times when I feel down, when I feel overwhelmed in my own business. And again, in your life, I know I've seen it firsthand. People have hit her up, and she's actually stopped so that she can reply and help them. So absolutely, once again, this book, Never Judge a Book by Its Cover, gets my highest recommendation.